Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm here today with a really quick share. I received my Stamps of Life card kit for the month of November. Sorry, the dog, as usual. And I'm just going to show you what we receive in case you are interested. So every month it comes in this beautiful box that says Happy Mail. And every month, this year, it seems like, well, not it seems like, but it was month this year, pretty much, till the end of the year, we got 2 free dies for being a club member. And this is my free dies that I received. Oh, I wonder what this is. It looks like candy, right? Maybe? I don't know. Or a bow? I don't know. I'll check it out. And then this flower and border die. And then we also receive a sentiment stamp, and it says, sorry for the glare, be strong, have faith, everything will be okay, wishing a very special person a very special birthday, life has a funny way of working things out, sending you a paper hug, and greetings. So every card kit you get a stamped sentiment. Let me take it out of the box. And this is our die this month in the club kit. And it is a cupcake die, and you can see it has the shadow as well. We got some of these flower puffy vinyl stickers. We got some of this chipboards with some sentiments on it. We got 2 rows of ribbon that coordinate with the items we are receiving. We got another sentiment die which says Brighter Days, and it has the shadow piece as well. We also have these wood veneer pieces that have pictures of a house, pictures of a cat, and pictures of a butterfly. And they're a hexagon shape. Is this hexagon? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides. We got that. Also, every kit comes with some inspiration. And I also belong to the Die Hard Club, so earlier in the month, I got my Die Hard set, and it coordinates with this. And here's my Die Hard set that I received. Here's the stamp sentiment. And here's the die cuts. So it'll coordinate with this stuff as well from the card kit. You also get a double-sided paper pad. And if you notice, the dies from the Die Hard kit will cut out the picture in the pad, in the paper pad. The flowers, the kitty cat, and the curtains. So there's another look of the pattern paper. And then you also receive an assortment of cardstock that matches the kit that we received. And here's the cardstock, and here's the color palette for the cardstock. And as you can see, it all matches. You also get this handy dandy envelope to put everything in so you can have it stored in one nice space together. So yeah, hopefully you guys are having a crafty week and everybody is staying safe and taking care. I appreciate you being here with me today, and if you're new, welcome. If you're returning, I appreciate you. Please consider liking and subscribing. Please consider sharing my video for more videos like these, see here. And until my next video, shakas.